Welcome to the funniest mystery object challenge, Bible edition. You will face 3 levels of difficulties. Level 1 easy, level 2 medium, level 3 hard. The end is for true masters only. Are you one of them? Go, go, go! Cross. Lord's Supper. Crown of Thorns. Ark of the Covenant. Holy Bible. Great job! Champions survive until the end. Do you think your eyes can make it? Let's see what they can do. Crucifix. Angel. Menorah. The Temple Veil. Tablets of the Law. Well done. You're doing great so far. Welcome to the final level. Only the best make it to the end. And yes, these are the hardest ones yet. Rainbow. Star of David. Golden Calf. Ark of Noah. Lion's Den. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit subscribe and come back for more.